That's an interesting question because I think everybody believes that when you go to law school, you know exactly what type of law you want to practice and where you're going to end up, which I think in reality that couldn't be further from the truth. When I started law school, I had absolutely no idea of what I wanted to do, where I wanted to practice, and really my kind of thoughts is that the law would just be a stepping stone because I really had my eye on moving to Washington, D.C. and becoming a part of our government, which is a scary thought. But when I started in law school, I had a unicorn of an opportunity to work at a family law firm. And I began as a law clerk working with my partner today, Lisa Meyer. I found her to be one of the most extraordinary lawyers and people that I really had ever met. And she was such a great example of how I believed a woman should be and hold themselves out as a professional and as a woman, that she really was my reason for practicing family law, and I never went back. The most rewarding aspect, I actually have two answers for that. I think the first most rewarding aspect of practicing family law is when I help particularly women who come into my office and they're completely either blindsided, overwhelmed, and just kind of drowning and treading water with this entire process, and seeing that individual become stronger, have greater self-esteem, become informed, and get their footing back and their respect and confidence in themselves, and just seeing them end the process that was so daunting and so scary, actually ending it as a stronger, more confident person. And then my second most rewarding aspect is when I actually see children that were involved in the custody cases that I've dealt with, and actually meet these children and realize that their parents took some advice that I might have given them in terms of keeping children out of conflicts and not over embroiling them in litigation, and seeing that that was beneficial to these kids and they came out of it on the other side as great, well-adjusted, productive, young adults.